What made working with Seller's Advantage so easy is that process was seamless. My mom didn't have to make repairs or fix the house to show it. Seller's Advantage really does buy your home as is. They really do that. We didn't have to clean up the house. We didn't have to fix anything. We left a mess when we moved, and I apologize for that. But they said, you can leave everything, and we left a lot of stuff. It saved my mom on cleaning costs and having someone haul off the junk and all that. It was just so easy and seamless, and she got the funds quickly as was promised, which gave her the freedom to shop around to buy a home because she had the money in her hands. Everything they promised was, delivered.
Was easy, very effective, and I was very happy to work with them.
She has friends that sold her home and had like 8 days to get out, and they had to go to a hotel. And this was, her having that much time, it was just a breather. We didn't have to rush. We didn't have to, worry about anything. It was very liberating, to say the least. We were working with Tara, and she was great because every step of the way, she kept us informed. She kept calling, texting, emailing. One of the reasons we work with Seller's Advantage, there's a lot of fraud going on. My mom is a senior, so my brothers were worried about, somebody stealing your property. We researched that both Pacific Escrow and Seller's Advantage were legitimate, but the fact that they kept us, appraised and sent us documents and everything was really important. It made us feel safe. One of the best things about working with Seller's Advantage was that there were no fees, no listing fees, no commission fees. That saved my mom a lot of money.
No big house, no visitors coming into the house to see how's the house, and visitors claiming for some repairs and asking questions. And I was very happy with the company. I was very happy to work with all of you.
And she saved so much because on the property she purchased, we saw all the fees that you pay. And she's moving to a smaller city, but LA County or the city of LA, fees are very high. So she saved on all title and all that. That was great.
We've helped thousands of homeowners like Lisa and Consuelo across Southern California. If you're thinking about selling, call us or visit sellersadvantage.com and see how we can help.